Salam. Welcome back to the channel. If you're part of the global Ethiopian diaspora, whether you're in the US, Canada, Europe, or the Middle East, you know just how important it is to send money back home. Maybe you're supporting your family, investing in a new business, or just helping out with school fees. But with so many options out there, it's not always easy to figure out which one is fast, safe, and affordable. In this video, I am going to break down the best and most reliable ways to send money to Ethiopia in 2025. We'll cover what to watch out for, and I'll share a few essential tips to make sure your loved ones receive every single bear safely and without any headaches. So, let's get right into it. First, let's cover the basics. How do these money transfers actually work? When you send money from abroad, your funds, whether it's dollars, euros, or pounds, go through an international remittance network. This could be a bank, a money transfer operator, or a digital wallet app on your phone. That company then partners with licensed banks or agents in Ethiopia, like the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia, Dahabshiil Bank, Awash Bank, or the Bank of Abyssinia, to deliver the money. The funds can be paid out in Ethiopian birr or, in some cases, deposited directly into a US dollar account. Now, here's something really important to remember. The National Bank of Ethiopia strictly regulates all remittances. This is why you must only use licensed, official services. It's not just about keeping your money secure. Using official channels also supports the country's foreign currency reserves, which is a huge benefit for the national economy. So, stick to the legitimate players. All right, let's dive into the most popular and trusted ways to send money to Ethiopia in 2025. First up, we have money transfer apps. These are probably the fastest and easiest options for most people, perfect for quick transfers directly to a bank account or for cash pickup. One of the most widely used is WorldRemit. With WorldRemit, you can send money directly to bank accounts at major banks like CBE and Awash, or your family can pick up the cash at thousands of agent locations. It's incredibly convenient and has a huge network. Another fantastic option is Remitly. They are well known for their fast delivery times and often have very competitive exchange rates. Your recipient can get the money through cash pickup or have it deposited straight into their bank account. Then, of course, we have the classic, trusted names, Western Union and MoneyGram. They are still incredibly reliable and have been around for ages. Their biggest advantage is the massive network of pickup points across Ethiopia, from the biggest cities to smaller towns. You can find them almost everywhere. And for those of you in the US and Europe, you should definitely check out SendWave. It's become really popular for its straightforward transfers, often with low or no fees, sending money straight to CBE or Dahabshiil bank accounts. Now, what if you're sending a larger amount of money, maybe for a business investment or a property purchase? In that case, a direct bank transfer might be your best bet. You can use your bank's international wire service to send funds. Most major Ethiopian banks, including the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia, CBE, and Awash Bank, are set up to accept international SWIFT transfers. To do this, you'll need the recipient's full name, their bank's name, and the correct SWIFT code for that bank. It's a very secure method, but keep in mind that it's not the fastest. These transfers can take anywhere from 3 to 7 business days, depending on your country and the banks involved. So, it requires a bit more planning. Next, let's talk about a rapidly growing option, mobile wallets. Ethiopia's digital payment scene is absolutely booming, led by services like Telebirr and HelloCash. This is changing the game for remittances. Many of the international transfer apps we just talked about, like WorldRemit and Remitly, now allow you to send money directly to a Telebirr wallet. This is a huge deal because it means your family can receive and use the money instantly, right from their phone. They can pay bills, buy goods, and transfer funds without ever needing to go to a bank or a cash pickup agent. It's fast, it's modern, and it's incredibly convenient. As more people in Ethiopia adopt these mobile wallets, this will only become a more popular way to receive money. Okay, now that you know the different ways to send money, let's talk about how to save some cash and, more importantly, how to avoid scams. My first tip is to always compare exchange rates and fees. This is crucial. Even tiny differences in the exchange rate can save you hundreds or even thousands of birr over a year. Apps like Remitly and WorldRemit are great because they show you the live exchange rates and the final amount your recipient will get before you even hit the send button. Take a minute to compare. It's worth it. Tip number 2. and I can't stress this enough. Use only official channels. Please, avoid sending money through unofficial brokers you find on social media or through personal contacts promising a better rate. It is incredibly risky, and in many cases, it's illegal. You have no protection if the money disappears, and it hurts the country's economy. Stick to the licensed companies we discussed. Tip number 3 is a simple but vital one. Always double-check and confirm the recipient's full name and ID details. Make sure the name you provide matches their official government ID exactly. If there's even a small mismatch, a different spelling, or a missing middle name, they will have problems and won't be able to pick up the cash. It can cause a lot of unnecessary stress and delays. And finally, tip number 4, plan ahead. If you're sending money for a specific purpose with a deadline, like school fees, holidays, or a medical emergency, send it early. Don't wait until the last minute. International transfers can sometimes face unexpected delays, and fees can sometimes be higher during peak periods. Giving yourself a buffer of a few days is always a smart move. Before we wrap up, I want to touch on why this all matters so much. Every dollar, pound, or euro you send home makes a real, tangible difference. It's not just about supporting your immediate family. It's about contributing to Ethiopia's entire economy. Remittances from the diaspora are one of the single largest sources of foreign currency for the country. So, when you send money through official, legal channels, you're not just helping your loved ones. You are actively helping to strengthen Ethiopia's economy, stabilize its currency, and build a better future for everyone. It's a powerful act of support. And that's it. Your complete guide on how to send money to Ethiopia safely and efficiently in 2025. I hope you found this breakdown helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content for the Ethiopian diaspora. And don't forget to share this with friends and family who also send money home. It could really help them out. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know which service you use and why. Have you had a good or bad experience with a particular company? Your insights will definitely benefit others in our community. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.